Do you have your rattle? You have your rattle? You're moving your arms. Yeah. You're moving your arms and you're playing with your giraffe. Yeah. And you're talking. Yeah. You're doing so well. Yeah. Hi. How's your giraffe? How's Mr. Giraffe today? He's pretty good? Yeah. Good job. What a good boy. What a good boy with his arms and his legs. Yeah. Moving all around. Moving all around. And you're holding your rattle so wonderfully. So wonderfully. Oh, fell down. Yeah. Yeah.